All right, my friends, today to start our math class, I have a challenge for you.
Yes.
I am going to give you a sheet of paper. At the very top is your challenge. There's a dotted line, which means stop there. And it says group work. We're going to use that later. Ms. Wieckowski was trying to save paper. So your challenge is at the very top. And it says, look at the addition sentence, Andrew. The addition sentences, what do you notice about them? There are lines to tell me what you notice about these. You have 4 minutes to think about this. As soon as you get it, you may begin. Says, look at the addition sentences. What do you notice about them? Write down any observations that you have about those sentences. What do you notice about these 4 addition sentences? Addition. I told you they're addition number sentences. Did we work on this before? 457 equals 400 plus 50 is 7. Let's call it something special. Good job. We did this before. Do you remember what it's called? You have about a minute left. What do you notice about those? Think to things we have been working on in math. What do you notice about those? Good job. Do you notice anything else? Good job. Do you notice anything different about these two and these two? Look at these two and then these two. Do you notice any differences? Do you notice any differences in these two or these two? Good job. Think about these two and these two. What differences do you see? Think about that. I like that. What comes after the tens, please? If you have a book out, please put your book away and get ready to share. Our time is up. Your pencils are in your groove. In 3, 2, your hands are in start. Thank you, Gabriel. Gabriel's ready to share his answer. And 1. Thank you for moving with urgency. My friend on the orange team, your pencil is in your groove already. I want us to share some of our answers and some of our thinking to this math challenge. Samantha, I want you to start us off. What did you notice about those addition sentences?
I noticed that they are large numbers and they are small numbers.
They are large numbers and they are small numbers. Can you elaborate on that? What did you mean by that?
Because 457 is a large number, like 400.
So this is a large number, so there are large numbers, and then there are smaller numbers. Did anyone have a similar thought or the same thought? If you had the same thought, you can tap your head. If you had a little bit different thought and you want to share it, please raise your hand high. I see a lot of great thinking so far. Joshua.
Some of them are in expanded form and some of them are in standard form.
Some of them are in expanded form and some of them are in standard form. I want you to elaborate on that as well. What do you mean by some of them are in expanded form and some of them are in standard form? Do you want to come up to the board and show us? How many add-ins will we have in my number sentence? How many numbers will we have in this number? And how many add-ins will we have in this number sentence? Andrew, I want you to start us off by thinking, how many digits do we have? We have 4 digits. So how many add-ins will we have in our expanded form?
4. So we are gonna have 4 add-ins.
We're going to have 4 because this number has 4 digits. Remember that expanded form shows us the value of each digit in the number. So for each digit, we need to have a blank. I just told you that expanded form tells us the value of each digit. So would this be correct to write?
No.
Would this be correct to write? You can show me your thumbs. Thumbs up if it's right. Miss Wieckowski is on. Or thumbs down if you think it should be different. I need all thumbs in 3, 2, 1. Olivia, you have your thumb down. Why? Why is this incorrect?
It's incorrect because you have to
Does this 5 tell us the value of this digit? No. What is the value of this digit? Samantha?
5,000.
5,000. So I would need to change it to say 5,000. Gabriel, this digit is in what place value? The hundreds. Is the value of this 4? What place value is this 3 in, Etienne?
Is 3 in the tens?
Is in the tens. Is 3 the value of this 3?
No.
What should I change it to?
30.
30. The 2 is in what place value? Alejandro. Ones. Does this 2 show the value of that digit?
Yes.
Yes, it does. To help us, Joshua and Andrew. Joshua, that is a 1. Andrew, that is a point. To help us figure out the value of each digit, we can very easily draw a picture. You're going to be doing this with your groups. We are going to be in groups of 3. You're going to get a chance to use some of our base 10 cubes to make numbers and then have that help you write them in expanded form. I'm going to give you a number. So your first step after I give you a number is to look at my number. Your second step, Gabriel, is to then make that number on your mat. Your mat is your place value mat. And then your third step, after your group has made the number on your mat, after you have made that on your mat, you're going to use it to write the number then in expanded form on your worksheet. So I'm going to show you how this works. You and your it looks like this. You're also going to get a basket of hundreds hundreds, tens, ones, and thousands. I know that I showed you thousands using a big cube, but I didn't have enough thousands to give everyone a big cube, so we're actually using these smaller cubes. But we know that this cube means 1,000. So you're going to use the colorful cubes as 1,000. I'm going to write a number up on the board. My number might be you're going to make that number using those manipulatives on your mat. So I would come over here. And I would put a 1. I'm actually going to change my number. How many tens would I need, Alexander? I would need 3 tens. How many hundreds would I need, Natalie? I would need 2 hundreds. And Etienne, how many thousands cubes would I need? These don't fit, so I'm going to put them here. How many thousands cubes would I need to make this number?
1.
Etienne. 1. After you and your group work together to make this, then you're going to go to your worksheet, and on the bottom half, it says number 1. You're going to write the number in expanded form. You're going to use your picture like this. I know that I need the value of this thousands. This picture shows me the value of this place value, of this digit. What is the value in the thousands place, Andrew? The value. 1,000. What is the value of this hundreds place? So this digit is 2 in the hundreds place. What is the value, Mia?
The value of the 100 is 200.
200. Logan, fix your stars, please.